All right, our second site then will come to Freecash. Freecash is another great site. You're going to see that my money is lower. I just did a cash out today. My total cash out today. I do have plenty of more sites, but my out of the two, I did cash out at $40 for both of them, so it's $20 each. All right. So here's that free cash. So when we come over to free cash, we're going to see a site like this. I do chat on here once in a while. Nothing wrong with it. I've asked questions on there. So what I do for free cash is I come down here. I do the again. I've done this already today. So some of them may be a little smaller because I've already done a lot today already on here. Um, and you'll notice that once in a while as you do more. Some of them are, but the thing of it is just keep going. Don't let the money, because some of them will pay more. It depends on how you interact with the survey. Okay, so then I do the featured surveys. Again, another tip, you will get kicked out of some. I've never gone through all of them like in this list, this row here, and never got kicked out. I mean, maybe it's one, maybe it's two. It does get frustrating, so but don't let it be because there's plenty of more. All right, so I get them all done. It'll tell you, it'll give you a sign, a message that says there's no more featured surveys available. All right, so then we're going to come down here. All right, so I'm going to click this because it's going to show. I'm going to click each one of these. So we'll click it. Okay, so it's looking for surveys. I'm not going to click on these to show you. So then all I do is I click on each one of these. Again, there are many. So you figure that up. So that would be 58.9 cents right there. It's a penny. So you just figure a penny around there. Um, some of these bigger ones. So the key is start with the smaller ones first, and then work your way up to the big ones. Because if you go right over the big ones right away, chances are they're probably going to kick you out because they want to see what your responses are. Now that is a nice one, but again, it's going to take you 24 minutes. It may take longer. Them are just estimates. All right. So that was one survey partner. The other one is right here. Again, it'll work on trying to find you some. Apologize, my dog's barking in the back. So, depending upon your connection, mine's probably slow getting today. So, lovely Spectrum. I'm getting fiber soon, so looking forward to that. And this will happen once in a while. Okay, so then we're here. So this particular survey is going to be on education. This particular says other. It could be anything from vehicles. Here's your work lifestyle, your education lifestyle. Again, you may be kicked out of these. Do not get discouraged. All right. So we'll come over here. There's two options. Fast surveys pay less. They're 50 cents. The normal surveys on here will pay $1. You will see that. All right. And then we're going to go to the next one, which again, go through these all. Once you get them done, take your time on them. Don't rush because they will know and they will kick you out. I've had referrals that have messaged me like, "Hey, I don't get no surveys ever." Okay, well, how long did it take you? Be thorough if they ask you because they will kick you out. They will kick you out. I will not lie. I've seen it. I make sure if I'm going to do this, see now this site it has no surveys available at the time. That will happen as well. But take your time with it. Do not rush. We all want to get paid quick, but there is no such thing as getting paid quick. All right. So then here again, some more sites for you. And again, once you're done, you can have them show more site, more. I mean, it's. This is what I like about the surveys because there's so many out there, research companies looking for people to do these surveys. Again, it's a. I'll tell you, I do about four, and I'm ready to throw the keyboard out and say forget it. Okay. So I'll do four. I'll go do other things. I also do affiliated marketing. I run a travel business as well. I'm not going to elaborate on that. If you want to know more, you can get a hold of me. But that's just a little bit more. Once you prove to me that you can do this, and hey, if you need to go one on one with me, I'll be more than willing to go one on one with you in a Zoom call where we can work on it together till you get it down. But once you're comfortable with these two sites, I have plenty more. I have a total of 10 of them that I do right now. There's I mean, there's companies out there that will pay. They look minimum, but you figure I do. I like I said, there's many sites out there, and I go through right away in the morning before I start my day. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 today. This morning, go and I get my work done because I don't get burnt out. So I'll do 3, go do some work with my other jobs. I'll come back, do 3, 4, sometimes 5. It just depends on how long they are. I'll go do some more work. I'll come back and I'll do 3 or 4 or 5 more. Nice thing also about this that I didn't mention, these sites have a mobile app. You don't have to be home sitting in front of your computer. I've actually been doing this long enough. I've sat in Las Vegas on the strip with a drink in my hand doing this. It it's not, I mean, I understand people are saying, well, it's never looked. That's why I came on here to make these videos today. People are like, I understand, but it costs you nothing to sign up. So again, make sure that you do sign up under me. I can track your progress. Again, once you hit $10, get a hold of me, message me so I can confirm it. Not that I don't believe you, but I just want to I'm setting it at $10. I will give you some more premium sites. And again, once you hit $10 on them, I will give you some more. I've got plenty more. I've got plenty more resources to make money online. It's out there. I've done my research. I know many people that have quit their 9 to 5 job just to do these jobs. All right. So again, thanks for joining, and I hope that you have a lot of success. If you need anything, any questions, just reach out and let's get this more popular even than what it is. All right. Have a great day, everybody.